You did very good. I'm very proud of you.
Oh, Miss Kim got some love. Miss Kim getting some love. Okay. Was my hair good? Really? I'm glad I'm gonna have to wash it again.
Hi.
Oh, look at there.
Hi.
Hi, beautiful. How are you?
Hi.
How are you?
You want to go back to your perch now? No? No?
Here,
Oh God.
here.
Oh. I don't know.
Come on. It's like I'm stuck in your hair. Easy, because your hair.
Sorry, babies. You've got two birds.
I got one trying to get in my hair.
Which one?
This one.
Come here. Come here. Hi. I can hold him by the finger. No. There you go.
Look,
There you go.
look, this one is just like having a field day with me.
You gotta go like this. Come on. Back to your nose. There you go. She's a beautiful color though.
Very beautiful.
She's so fluffy.
Ow.
You gotta go for the back. Go for the back.
Ow. Ow.
What?
He's like, I just want to be left alone. I see the yellow bird. Is that what you were looking at? Hi, pretty baby. Oh, it says no, not today. Not today.
She's very
It says not today. Not today.